I just built 4 completely different UGC-style ads for the same product inside one platform without hiring a single creator. And if you are still paying creators for every variation you want to test, you are burning through your budget on a process that this tool handles in minutes. So in this video, I am going to walk you through every single workflow from start to finish, so you can create your own UGC-style ads for any product you want. The platform we are using today is Higgsfield, which is an all-in-one tool with multiple features, but there's a single one that makes all this possible. Once you are on the home page, you'll see the navigation bar at the top where everything is organized. There you'll see Supercomputer, which is where we'll make all of our ads, so click on that. If you want to follow along and have your own UGC ad by the end of this video, click the link in the description to get started with Higgsfield. The most important part of the process is understanding what Supercomputer actually is. Most AI tools still make you do all the work yourself, but with Supercomputer, you just tell it what you want in plain English, and it handles the rest behind the scenes. And the best part is that everything works in one chat, so you have all your assets in one place. The first thing you need to do is set it up. When you open Supercomputer, you will see a prompt box at the bottom of the chat. Before you type anything, check 2 settings. First, set your run mode to confirm before running. This is the setting that keeps you in control at every step. After every prompt, Supercomputer will show you its plan and wait for you to approve it before anything runs. Second, set your AI model to Sonnet 4.6. This is the model that reads your prompt and decides how to break it down into a plan before routing it to the right tools. You have a few options, but the lighter models tend to misread more complex requests and produce less accurate plans. Sonnet 4.6 is smart enough to interpret what you actually want and hand it off to the right workflow without you having to correct it halfway through, which for ad creation makes a big difference. We are going to build 4 completely different UGC-style ads inside this one chat: a talking head review, a step-by-step tutorial, an unboxing reveal, and a motion design piece. All will share the exact same avatar and product with maximum consistency, but the style of each one will be completely different. And to do all of that, we first need to create our assets. For UGC ads, we need 2 main things: a character to work with and a product to feature. The character we are creating is named Sophia, a woman in her early 20s with a casual, natural look. The product is a silver pendant necklace, and we are going to pull it directly from an Amazon link. If you want a custom product, you can write it in your prompt with simple terms, but for this one, I'll use an existing product with this link. Both Sophia and the necklace are going to carry through every single ad we make in this video, so the consistency we establish here is what makes the whole multi-format approach actually work. What I want to point out before we run this is how different this step is from what most people expect. Creating a consistent AI character usually means uploading reference images, going through a training process, and spending time tweaking until it looks right. But with Supercomputer, you can do all of that with one short and simple prompt. The character generation, the product details, and the first UGC video all come from the same input. Notice how simple it is compared to the prompts you usually write. Let's generate. She looks friendly and approachable, which is perfect for someone presenting a product. Now, Supercomputer generates this storyboard. This is the preview of how the first UGC video is going to be structured. So look through it, and if you're happy with it, confirm it to render the final video. When it comes back, it's a polished UGC-style talking head ad.
This tiny leaf necklace is the soft detail my hoodie was missing. Gold chain, and it goes with literally everything. Under $40 and it comes gift boxed. Link is in bio.
The necklace feels naturally integrated, and the whole piece has that authentic creator vibe that converts. More importantly, both Sophia and the necklace are now saved inside Supercomputer, so every future ad stays perfectly consistent across all 4 formats with no extra work. The next format takes those same assets in a completely different direction. We're creating an ad in the step-by-step tutorial style, and this one earns its place in any ad creative rotation for a specific reason. A talking head review tells someone the product is worth buying. A tutorial shows them exactly what to do with it. For a piece of jewelry, that means answering the question buyers actually have before they purchase, which is, how do I wear this? And more importantly, what does it actually look like? Sophia is going to walk through how to wear the necklace step by step. To trigger this workflow, I'll type in the /UGC tutorial flow command to trigger the tutorial style and paste in my prompt. The /command system is one of the things that makes Supercomputer stand out compared to other tools. Each command activates a pre-built workflow that already understands the structure of that specific ad format. So instead of me describing every scene, every camera angle, and every transition, the agent already knows what a tutorial style ad needs to look like and builds around my input. I am giving it the brief, and it handles the production production logic. I confirm the plan, hit generate, and the storyboard comes back. Looking through the storyboard, what stands out immediately is how well the format translates to short form. Each scene is tight, purposeful, and visually distinct from the one before it. There is no wasted time anywhere in the sequence. Then I hit generate, and the final video renders.
Hold the chain at both ends, then drace it around your neck. Clasp it at the back. That's it. Link in bio.
The pacing is what stands out to me. Sophia moves through every step quickly, but nothing feels rushed. Each moment has enough room to actually land before the next one starts. For a 10-second ad, that balance is genuinely hard to get right. And because it is a tutorial format, it gives the viewer something a standard talking head ad never does. Now, the next format we are building takes a completely different approach to earning that same attention. We're building an unboxing ad next, and if you have spent any time looking at what actually performs in paid social, you already know why this one is worth having in your rotation. Unboxing content works because it is built around a moment. There is anticipation, there is a reveal, and there is a reaction. When those three things are captured well, the format converts. Sophia is going to open the package on camera and react to the necklace. Now, the command is different from the last one, and it specifies the unboxing style. I'll paste in my prompt and generate. The storyboard comes back, and I'll go through it carefully. In the second and third panels, the chain on the necklace looks too short. It does not match the actual product, which is a problem. If I am running this as a real ad, the product has to look accurate. Showing something that does not match what the buyer receives is the kind of detail that erodes trust. And trust is the whole point of UGC content in the first place. Most people at this point would either accept it and move on, or scrap the whole thing and start from scratch. What I do instead is just tell Supercomputer what is wrong. So I'll simply write that the chain is too short and I want it fixed. Now, in the revised storyboard, the chain is corrected. The proportions now match the product, and the scenes read the way they should. The ability to review a storyboard and request specific changes before the final render means I am never committing credits to a video I am not happy with. You can review, adjust, and only generate the final output when everything is right. That is a fundamentally smarter way to work than most people are running right now. I confirm the updated storyboard and the final unboxing video renders.
Wait, my package is here? Okay, let's open it. Oh my gosh, look at these tiny enamel leaves on a gold chain. It came gift box too. Link in bio.
The reveal moment lands exactly the way it should. Sophia's reaction feels natural, the necklace looks accurate, and the pacing builds properly toward the reveal. That structure is what makes unboxing content work, and this delivers it cleanly. We have one more format left, and it is the most different one yet. The fourth and final format is a motion design ad, and it is intentionally nothing like the three we have already built. When you are running multiple ads for the same product, variety is very important. Different formats reach different people, and different creative styles perform differently depending on where the ad is placed. The talking head, the tutorial, and the unboxing all have a creator on camera, but this one doesn't. We're showcasing just the product, paired with kinetic typography and clean motion graphics. For a pendant necklace, that format works particularly well. The product is the visual, and the motion around it does the storytelling. The command for this one describes the motion style. Let's generate. This workflow runs differently from the previous three. Because there is no avatar involved, Supercomputer does not start with a storyboard, but with a product sheet. This is a structured visual reference that captures the necklace's details, angles, and key features. And it is what the entire motion design ad gets built around. Go through it carefully, because this is your foundation. If the product details are captured well here, the final output is going to reflect that quality all the way through. Once I am happy with the product sheet, Supercomputer generates the storyboard. This maps out how the motion graphics are going to move, how the typography is going to appear, and how the product is going to be framed across the 15 seconds. I'll confirm the storyboard and the final motion design video renders. What comes back is genuinely polished. The necklace is the entire focus of the frame. There are no distractions, and the motion around it gives the whole piece a premium editorial quality that none of the other formats have. The typography moves cleanly, the product is lit well, and the finished ad feels like something you would see running as a paid placement on a high-end brand's account. That is exactly the point of having this format in the rotation. The talking head and unboxing ads build trust and relatability. The tutorial ad gives the viewer something useful. The motion design ad builds brand perception. Together, they cover every angle of what a strong ad creative strategy actually needs. And the best part is that every single one of them came out of one chat inside Supercomputer. So if you want to get started and create your own UGC-style ads in multiple formats, use the link in the description to sign up to Higgsfield. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.